Dear students, this session we are going to study about Lagrange interpolation. Lagrange interpolation formula. So first we are going to see the formula. Consider the following table of data. Here we have two variables x and y. Right? When x equal to x0, corresponding y value is y0. Similarly, when x equal to x1, corresponding y value is y1. When x equal to x2, corresponding y value is y2. Likewise up to xn, yn. Then the Lagrange interpolation formula to find the value of y equal to f of x. That is to find the value of y. It can be written like this. So y or f of x both are same here, right? Now see here. In the first term we have y0. Second term we have y1. Last term we have yn, right? So corresponding its x value is x0. Okay, write like this. Leave x0, start from x1, x minus x1 into x minus x2 and so on up to x minus xn. Now replace this x by x0 in the denominator, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus xn, likewise. Okay, so this is for the first term. Similarly for the second term, here we have y1. Now corresponding x value is x1. Now leave x1, start from x0, leave x1, use x2 here, x minus x2 and up to x minus xn. Now put x equal to x1 minus become x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus xn and so on. Similarly up to last term. So this is known as Lagrange interpolation formula. Very easy to remember. It maybe looks tough. Example 1. Using Lagrange interpolation formula, find the value corresponding to x equal to 10 from the following table. So here we have two variables x and y. X values are given, corresponding y values are given. We are going to find y value when x equal to 10, right? So first we write the Lagrange interpolation formula. So here we have four data. Take the data like this. This is x0, x1, x2, x3. So we have x0 from x0 to x3. Here y0, y1, y2, y3, right? Okay, that is n equal to 3 here, right? Now write the Lagrange interpolation formula. Okay, so first term here is y0. Leave the corresponding x0. Start from x1, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Now put x equal to x0. Become x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. Likewise, similarly for the second term. Corresponding y1 value is x1. Leave the x1 and write like this. Similarly, third value is y2. Corresponding x value is x2. Leave x2 here. Start like this. X minus x0, x minus x1. Leave x2. Use x minus x3. Put x equal to x2 in the denominator. Become x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3. Similarly for y2. So this is Lagrange interpolation formula. First write Lagrange interpolation formula very clearly. Now put x equal to 10, x0 equal to 5, x1 equal to 6, x2 equal to 9, x3 equal to 11. And similarly y0 equal to 12, y1 equal to 13, y2 equal to 14, y3 equal to 16 in the above formula. Substitute like this, we get a big equation like this. Now simplify this equation, we get f of 10 equal to 14.63, right? Now example 2. Using Lagrange interpolation formula, find the polynomial through 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. So here we are going to find a polynomial function, right? So the question is given in terms of points. So write in table form. So first write put x and y and corresponding points like the 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 likewise. Okay, and x0 equal to x0, y0 equal to 1 likewise. Now we know that Lagrange interpolation formula can be written for three data like this. Leave x0 here, write like this. Leave x1 here, write like this. Leave x2 here, write like this. Okay. Now substitute all the values in the formula. But here we don't know the value of x. So simply keep x as x here. Right? Substitute all the values here. Keep x as x here, x minus 1, x minus 2, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 into 0, likewise. Now simplify this expression, we get a simple function x. So this is the solution, right? Now example 3. Using Lagrange interpolation formula, find the polynomial from the following data. Same problem, but here we have 5 data: x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Therefore, the Lagrange interpolation formula can be written like this: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Starting from 0 to 4, we have 5 values here. Leave x0 for first one, leave x2, x1 for second one, leave x2 for third one, likewise. Okay. First construct Lagrange interpolation formula. Then put x0 equal to 1, x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 3, x3 equal to 4, x4 equal to 7. Similarly for y values also likewise. And x as x here. We don't know what is the value of x here. So simply keep variable x as x here. Substitute all the values in the formula. We get a big equation like this. Now on simplification we get like this, right? First multiply these numbers, okay? Then multiply the corresponding polynomials. Okay, though we have a very big polynomial here, right? Now example 4. Using Lagrange interpolation formula, find the polynomial that fit the following data. Also find f dash of 0 and f double dash of 1. So in this problem, we are, in addition with function polynomial, we are going to find its derivative also. Okay. So here, given that x and y are like this. Okay. So we have 4 data. First write the Lagrange interpolation formula for 4 data like this. Now substitute the values of x0, x1, x2, x3 here except x. Okay. Substitute like this. Okay. After simplification, we get polynomial like this. So finally we get polynomial here. To find f dash of 0, we have to differentiate this polynomial. Differentiate this with respect to x. We get this one. Put x equal to 0 here. To find the second order derivative, differentiate this again with respect to x and put x equal to 1. We get the solution, right? Now inverse interpolation formula. So in inverse interpolation formula, okay. Now consider the following table of data. We have two variables here, x0, x1, x2 up to xn for x, y0, y1, y2 up to yn for y. Then the Lagrange interpolation formula to find x this time, that is inverse interpolation. If you want to find y, that is direct interpolation. If you want to find x, that is inverse interpolation. Okay, can be written like this. So here see, we are going to use x values in here. Put x0, x1 up to xn like this. Okay, corresponding x0 value here is y0. So leave y0 here and start from y1, y minus y1, y minus y2 up to y minus yn. Now put y equal to y0 here. So we get this term. Similarly for the second one, corresponding value of x1 is y1. Leave y1 and write like this: y minus y0, y minus y2 up to y minus yn. Similarly put y equal to y1 here, we get like this, and so on up to xn. Okay, right. Example 5. Find the age corresponding to the annuity value 13.6 from the given table. So here age is given 13, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That is x. Okay. Annuity value 15.9, 14.9, 14.1, 13.3, 12.5. Right. So we are going to find the value of y. So given here is y equal to 13.6. We are going to find the corresponding x value. That means we are going to use inverse formula. First assume this is x0, y x1, x2, x3, x4. This y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. We have 5 values here. First write like this. The value 13.6 is y here. So y equal to 13.6. So first write the inverse Lagrange interpolation formula for 4 data. Right? x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 like this. Okay. Leave corresponding x value, that is y value, y not here, put y1, y2, y2, y4 like this. Instead of y here, put y not here, and similarly like this. Similarly for the second term, third term, fourth and fifth term. Okay, now substitute all the values here, and after simplification, after a tedious calculation, you get x equal to 43.14. So use scientific calculator to do all the calculations. Thank you.